Yes, hi there, and I am Michael Buckoff, the founder, owner, and the materials writer for all of your lessons at the 7-step system to pass the TOEFL IBT. And you made a comment at my website, and particularly the webpage of TOEFL IBT writing practice. So let's take a look at what you said here. And you go by the name of Nena. You say, thank you for your free online course, but I want you to clarify me an issue regarding the speaking section of the TOEFL. How will be sure your voice is being recorded? Is the volume on, or you set it yourself before speaking? Please give a feedback because my exam is almost near, so that I will know what to do before the D-Day. Thank you. Now, I also want to clarify something. My online course is not free, so please don't give out information that's not accurate. It's inexpensive, and if anyone wants to learn more about my course, you can go to onlinetoeflcourse.com, and you can click on the join button, and you can find more about how much my course costs. But again, it is not free, but it is inexpensive. All right, so let's answer your question, Nena. When you register, excuse me, I have a cold right now. When you register and pay to take the TOEFL IBT exam, you will have a tutorial. The tutorial is what you'll do before you take the actual TOEFL exam, and during the tutorial, you will adjust and check the volume on your microphone and your headset to make sure everything is working correctly. So you don't need to really worry too much about that. Again, when you show up to take the TOEFL exam, you can take a tutorial before you begin the actual exam, and during the tutorial you will test to make sure that your headset, your microphone is working correctly and the volume is set at a high enough volume so the iBT human raters can listen and accurately score your responses. Alright? Now, here's something interesting though. You want to make sure that you are recording your voice regularly. You need to be used to recording and posting things online and listening to them online. So this is important. If you're not recording your voice on a regular basis, it will be difficult for you when you take the TOEFL exam. I'll just give you one example. Nena, one of my students, whose name is Manvi, she just got her results back, and guess what? She scored 28 points out of 30 on the speaking section of the exam. Now, before getting that score, she joined my online TOEFL course for 2 months, and she posted close to 296 different speaking practice tests online. She posted those over a period of 60 days. Now, why is she doing that? She does that because as she's posting her responses online, she needs to find out what kinds of problems she's having with her delivery, her language use, and her topic development. So she posts those responses at my online TOEFL course, then I listen to them, and then I give her feedback, and then she makes adjustments, and little by little she begins to improve her pronunciation. For example, her pronunciation of vowel and consonant sounds is much clearer than it was when she started. She improves her syllable division, her grammatical word endings. She's also improving her word stress, sentence rhythm, her intonation, and thought groups and blending. So, but it takes time. It takes time to number one, for her to learn what kinds of pronunciation problems she's having. Number two, she has to go and review the lessons that help strengthen her weaknesses in those areas, and little by little she gets better. And that's how she got her 28. Now, in addition, as she's posting her responses, she gets information from me about her language use, and particularly I have to listen to her grammar and her vocabulary and then make recommendations as to any problems she's having in those areas. Again, then she has to review lessons. She's got to write down some key information as to what kinds of problems she's having, and then she works on avoiding those when she posts future speaking practice tests. And finally, as she's posting, she gets more information on her topic development. That means how organized is she, and how well does she do in terms of using relevant supporting details for her generalizations. So making improvements in those three areas, specifically delivery, language use, and topic development, takes time, and most students, like yourself, they will need to post many speaking practice tests over an extended period of time before they can make the improvements they need to reach the target speaking score they want. All right, does that make sense? Anyway, so I've answered your question. I also gave you some important tips on why recording before taking the TOEFL exam is important. Anyway, good luck to you, Nena. And by the way, if you don't reach your TOEFL speaking score that you're looking for, please consider my online course. Of course, it's not free, but it is inexpensive, and I can help you, and I will help you reach not just your target speaking score, but I can help you reach your subtotal goals with reading, listening, and also writing. All right, Nana, happy holidays to you, and all the best to your high-scoring TOEFL success.